Want to book 3 times more sales meetings without working 3 times harder? Let's talk Apollo.io, your unfair advantage in sales. Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through how Apollo.io works, why top performing sales teams swear by it, and how you can use it to cut your outreach time in half. If you're still using outdated CRMs or messy spreadsheets to prospect, you are burning time and losing deals. Manual lead searches, poor targeting, and inconsistent follow-ups, it's a recipe for missed quotas. Apollo.io solves this by combining lead generation, sales intelligence, and email automation into one platform. You get verified contacts, built-in email sequences, real-time engagement tracking, all in one place. It's like having a sales team assistant, strategist, and execution tool in your pocket. Let me show you how it actually works. Step 1. Use Apollo's database to search for high-quality leads using filters like job title, industry, tech stack, and more. Step 2. Save them to a custom list. Step 3. Create an email sequence or use a proven template from their library. Step 4. Track open rates, click-throughs, replies, and auto-pause emails if someone responds. This isn't just automation, it's personalization at scale. Sales teams using Apollo are using 2 to 3 times more meetings because they're spending less time on busy work and more time closing. Whether you're a solo rep or a full sales org, Apollo adapts to your workflow. Ready to level up your sales game? You can try Apollo.io completely free. No fluff, no pressure, just results. Let me know in the comments if you want a deeper walkthrough or advanced tips.